Samyukta Kisan Morcha, an umbrella body of over 40 protesting farmer unions, on Sunday held an all-delegation meeting and announced that the agitation will continue as per the schedule, while adding that it will write an open letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi on minimum support price. Briefing media persons, farmer leader Balbir Singh Rajewal said, "We will write an open letter to Prime Minister mentioning the pending demands including MSP committee, its rights, its time frame, its duties, Electricity Bill 2020 and the withdrawal of cases against farmers. We will also write to him to sack the Minister Ajay Mishra Teni over Lakhimpur Kheri incident." However, the farmer leader welcomed the step of farm laws rollback announced by Prime Minister Modi and said, "It was a good step. We welcome it, but a lot of things still remain. We discussed the repeal of farm laws. After this, some decisions were taken. SKM's pre-decided programs will continue as it is. Kisan Panchayat in Lucknow on November 22nd, gatherings at all borders on November 26th, and a march to Parliament on November 29th, he said. Rajewal said that another meeting of SKM will be held on November 27th to discuss future course of action. For a decision on further developments, another meeting of SKM will be held on November 27th. The decision will be taken on the basis of the situation until then, he added. The Samyukta Kisan Morcha had held a core committee meeting on Saturday. Ragesh Tikayat of the Bharatiya Kisan Union, one of the key organizations leading the agitation, did not attend the meeting as he is currently in Lucknow. Samyukta Kisan Morcha meeting was held at Singhu border. As the government has agreed to withdraw the 3 farm laws, the farmer unions have shifted their focus on minimum support price, demanding a law on it. The farmers are also demanding compensation for the farmers who lost their lives during farmers' protests and the withdrawal of cases registered against them. The farmers have been protesting against the 3 farm laws for the past year across Delhi's borders. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.